Welcome. In front of me is HP ProBook 635, and in this video I will show you how to run diagnostics on this laptop. So first of all, let's open the web browser, connect to the internet, and in the web browser search for HP Diagnostic tool. You will see the official HP support web browser. Open it, select Diagnose PC hardware issues in Windows, scroll down and click download right here. Wait for the application to download. And when it's downloaded, open the file. Click yes right here, then click next, then read and accept the user's agreement, click next again. Then you can either go with the default folder, which I'm gonna do, or change the folder for the installation by clicking change and selecting the folder that fits you better, and click OK and click next, and then wait for the application to start running. It usually happens in a while. Okay, right now let's let the application use our camera and microphone, our location, continue, then go to system tests, and right here you can see fast and extensive system tests. So you can go with any of these depending on how much time you have. So extensive system tests takes a little a bit more time than the fast one. So if you want, you can go with the extensive one. I'm gonna go with fast one because I really don't want this video to be that long. So let me start the fast test, and then just wait for the test to complete until we see the results. Okay, so as I can see, every test is completed except for the battery one. That's why I got this notification. So it suggests that I should discharge the battery for 20 minutes. Of course, I'm not gonna do this, but if you want to check your battery, of course, you should do that and unplug your AC adapter and discharge the battery, then let the test run again. But as you can see, generally every test passed. So unless if it's not what happened to you, if some tests didn't pass, you'll probably see a notification letting you get to know what to do next, how to troubleshoot your problems. But generally speaking, that's how you perform diagnostics on this PC. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.